A lot of people do say to us, I can't believe you guys aren't stressed.
Yeah, it was
because
really
everything was
stress-free.
just so easy and cruisy. It was like, are we supposed to be stressed or? Hi, I'm Tony.
And I'm Gloria, and we bought a GJ Gardner home.
Yeah, that's right. We checked the reviews first, and they had really great reviews. So we thought, all right, we'll pop in. And they sort of went through the process in the beginning where there was no pressure at all. It was just like, you know what, come in, we'll have a talk about what you want to do. And they asked us a few questions, what we wanted in a home, and it was just easy. It was just relaxing. We felt comfortable with them, and we thought, you know what, I think this might be the one. They sort of took us step by step. Every time we did one part of the house, they went through it with us, and then we started the next part of the house, and they went through it with us. Everything was it was actually more comfortable with the way they were organised, that we just felt like there was no pressure at all. Yeah. So Steve was actually the one that really sucked us in, because he was so calm and placid, and he had that trust about him. Where no one else did. His main focus was if you got any problems or you want to know anything, come and see me or ring me up, and he was always there. Yeah. We could ring him up anytime, he would pick up the phone. We just spoke to him about what we wanted, and he sort of designed around what we needed.
We thought
having three kids and all that.
Yeah, and we knew what we loved.
We knew what we were a little bit confused as well. We weren't too sure, but Steve sort of guided us through it.
But Tyler was so good too.
Tyler was amazing.
Helping us with all the choices, and I know I was a bit nervous with a few colours and just a few different bits and pieces.
Yeah, so we sort of built this home around entertaining the kids and making sure that when the kids do get older, they're going to have friends over, and they want to make sure that they can also enjoy the home as well with their friends, with the pool, the barbecue area. And that's why we did the cinema room. Yeah. As the kids get older, they'll have friends over, they'll want to watch a movie, have time to themselves instead of
the next 10 years, I think,
being on top of each other.
Yeah, it's just a really important age, and we just thought if their friends are coming up to stay with us, or you know, they're driving up to Avalon, so we've just got a lot of room for everyone. Yeah. It was mainly worked around the family. Yeah. And the spare bedroom for mum and dad.
Spare bedroom for in-laws.
They want to come and stay with us.
Which will never happen, but you know, nah. You know what? This is what we want. This is where we're going to end up being for the rest of our lives. So let's just go with that, and then see where it takes us.
Yeah.